Chipo Ware. Munogara kupi? Dambudziko renyu rakatanga rini? Munenge mainzwa chii mumiri menyu? Makambotsvaga here rumwe rubatsiro kune dzimwe nzvimbo? Vaiti chii maprofita nen'anga? Mari? Mune vana vangani? 2. Handiti so kubatsirwa kwamaita uku manga muchifungidzira here kuti muchazowana rubatsiro rwakadai?
So patient payakauya yaive ne very huge abdomen yanga yakakura yaiextenda kusvika and it was our first time stay hospital ini ngetichisangana nepatient yanga ine dambudziko rerudzi irworwo. Takatanga nepatient and the procedure was very long. It took approximately 3.5 to 4 hours. Tinaye and akabatsirwa takadraina approximately 15,000 mils the free flowing fluid. Akabviswa tumor yaive almost 25 kgs in weight. It was fortunate kuti patient yakabuda muno zvakanaka and izvezvi ari kurikafa zvakanaka ari kumefino surgical.
Okay, I'm Sister Mkwewa, Francisca Mkwewa, working in Headlands, Rusape General Hospital. Here we've got a patient who came in with a big abdomen. She was pregnant. More than when you are saying pregnant, he was even more like a post-dates. So she came in and was seen by a guy and was ordered for staging laparatomy. So we are very happy now that before the operation was done, she had no resources. We are very happy that some of the mothers here, they even helped the patient. The other mother who is there, she gave $20 for the medication that she wanted to be used in the theater. And the other patients as well, they contributed in giving the resources that we wanted to use before the theater and after theater. Even today, someone has given a bathing towel. She had no bathing towel. So we are very happy. And the patient was taken to the theater and operation was done. And she came back from theater. When she came back from theater, we were very happy that the operation was successful. And we were even, when she was in theater, we were even, the staff was anxious because she took long in theater. It was more than 3 hours. And everyone was saying, when she come back, we were prepared to receive. Maybe we were saying maybe she's going to be transferred, but we were happy when she came back in a conscious state. And post-op orders were done, were given, and we followed the post-op orders. And today we are very happy that the patient is in a good state.
The scan which was done last week showed that the abdomen with lots of fluid, the big mass, more than 20 centimeters. So we decided to take her to theatre, but unfortunately she didn't have much blood in the system. So we had to test some 3 units of blood, which were given before the operation, and also some extra 2 units which were given during the operation. So the operation was done on Wednesday, on the 11th of February. We took it around 11 in the morning for the procedure. Then it took 3 hours. She only came back in the ward around 3 o'clock in the afternoon. It was quite a long procedure, difficult, but with the help of the team here at Rusape General Hospital, we managed to remove most of the tumor. It was stuck to the uterus, the womb, and up to the liver. And he also attached to bowels, so it was quite difficult to remove. And about 15,000 mils of fluid was inside that particular mass, and we thought it was arising from the right ovary. All in all, the mass, we think it was about 25 kgs, around 25 kgs, the mass. It would be more because of some spillages of fluid after that, during the procedure. So we expect a full recovery. We don't know what the tumor is. It will be cancerous, it will be non-cancerous. So the recovery will depend on what it actually is. So we expect that after removing this tumor, it needs to go to the laboratory for examination by pathologist. Then they will tell us what type of mass it was, and if it's cancerous or not, and if it's cancer, what type of cancer it is. So our request to the community to assist us with payment of that particular test for etiology, so that we actually see whether it was cancer or not.
Naitwa Priscilla Muta, takapinda munomu musi wechitatu. Apa ndakasvika chiyanga ari pabhedhi 12 ndiri pabhedhi 11. Saka tichitaura tichikurukura nguva yatakagara, takataura kuti ndane 3 years ndakadai, asi tine mwana wangu 1 anotoshandawo papurazi. Saka mwana wangu mari iyoyo anoti akatambira mari haina chainokwana, anopedza yese kutenga mushonga pamwe pacho isingatokwana. Iyo zvanitorina kana pekutangira, mwana wangu asina kana chinhu. Plazi zvanga ari zvacho, waitotya kana uramba wakamutarisa kuti chiremba chazvigona here kuti zvichabudirira. Asi paakazoenda inini ndakatanga kuenda kutheeta kubva azoteera mumashure mangu. Saka takaona achidzoka tese takafara. Ona day 2 hope yake yatova nani. Kana izvozvi zvinotoona zvatochinja pane zvagara.
Muri kumubatsira nechi chamakambomubatsira nacho?
Inini ndakamubatsira pane mushonga waidiwa kutheeta. Saka chiremba akazoti inini munogona kuitwa musina mushonga iyoyo. Saka pandaona kuti zviri nani ndimupe iyi, apinde nawo kutheeta since anga asina mushonga.
A new dimension in terms of services that are provided to Rusape General Hospital with the recent operation of the ovarian tumor, which was done by our specialist, Dr. Sengurai, in the theatre team. So, over the past couple of months that he has been here, we have actually seen an increase in the demand of gynae services, and our people from our communities are actually benefiting a lot. This is just one patient who had a very big problem for the past few years, but there are a lot more people who have actually benefited from his services. Some who needed abdominal hysterectomies, some who had fibroids that were removed, a lot of people, some who had difficulties in terms of conception, who were also assisted by him over the couple of months that he has been here to Rusape General Hospital. So now with the advent of these surgeries, as big as they are, we're now looking forward, or what we need is an ICU, an intensive care unit, a high dependence unit, because now with this kind of operations, after theater, some of them might then need a bit more specialized care, which we don't have yet as a hospital. So that is actually a new requirement that we need, so that he continues doing his work in producing the same good results as is happening so far. And as we expand as a hospital, actually, we are serving more than 60 clinics from Makoi, and then other referrals which are coming from other districts, patients from Rwedza, from Nyanga, they are coming here. We even have some are starting to run away from Harare to come to see our specialist here. So we can actually see that the clientele has grown very big, and his services are on high demand.